Steve Turano here, answering another one of your questions. This question comes from Backsnap. He wants to know, how is it that you can lose body fat while at the same time build muscle? Again, you see a lot of videos out there telling people, man, if you're creating a calorie deficit, you can't build muscle. Well, let me talk about this for a second. When you run out of calories, or when you create a calorie deficit in order to lose weight, you don't automatically come to a screeching halt like a car that ran out of gas. That's not the way the body works. When you run a calorie deficit, the body, the brain, the liver realize this. And all of a sudden, you begin to tap into your fat reserves, right? So let's say you run a 3 or a 4 or a 500 calorie deficit each day, every day for a week. You'll lose 1 pound. And the calorie deficit is created by either eating less, exercising more, or a combination of the two. So during the day, you're still eating. You're still taking in fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. So you are still taking in calories. Your body is using those calories and those nutrients to run itself. Now we come to the end of the day, the end of a 24-hour day, and you have run a 300 or 400 calorie deficit. Those 300 or 400 additional calories come from your body fat. That's how we lose weight. But you also have to remember that the calories you ate during the day and the calories you are using in the form of body fat are going to fuel your daily activities, fuel your workouts, and fuel your recovery. So that is how you are able to create a calorie deficit while at the same time building muscle. It's the act of weightlifting, number one. Number two, still taking in proteins and carbohydrates, which work in conjunction to rebuild muscles and fuel your body to rebuild muscle. So that's the trick, to create a small calorie deficit of 300 to 500 calories through eating less and exercising more, while at the same time eating proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Now there will be a point at which